This is how you create Korean idol inspired makeup look. So once the lashes are curled, I'm going to use this Etude House mascara fixer. This is truly the best revolutionary product. It fixes even the most stubborn eyelashes like mine. If you have very straight eyelashes, this mascara fixer is going to be your savior. I've been using it for like at least 9 years. The thing is, it's going to make your eyelashes feel a little bit crusty, but it's going to hold the curl all day, even the most stubborn ones, like myself. I'm also making the eyelashes a little looking clumpy because that's the key element in Korean makeup, eyelashes. I'm not gonna apply false lashes today, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. Similar eyelashes with just mascara. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara. It's waterproof. I'm just going to pick this product up with the mascara brush and then just apply thoroughly. And also the same on the lower eye, like this. And next, the eyebrow. I'm going to use an eyebrow powder. I think I'm going to use this one today. Just roughly fill that in. Also, make sure your tail of the eyebrow is never going lower than the inner corner of your eyebrow. It's a little detail, but it really makes your whole entire face look more lifted and smoother. I'm just following my natural eyebrow shape, but I'm making it a little round by filling this each corner of my eyebrow a little lower and a little bit rounded. But if you prefer more defined brow, you can do that. It's totally fine. But what I observed lately, round, thin shape eyebrows are quite trending among the celebrities and actors and actresses. So taking those elements, making it a little bit rounded. And next I'm going to use these lipsticks. These are a mix of Guerlain and Shiseido lipsticks. First I'm going to use this peach color over here using a lip brush. I'm slightly overdrawing it. Work mostly on the center of the lip to create really voluminous lip shape. Continue rubbing. I think that's about it.